with me?
Yes, sir.
Now open to the book of Relationship chapter 15 verse 22. What did he say?
I'm coming.
Be quick, be quick. The children of God are waiting. No time, no time. Be quick.
And she said unto him,
And she said unto him, what did she say?
I am pregnant.
I am pregnant. Problem there. I am pregnant. What did the guy say?
The guy said,
The guy say what? The guy say who? What did the guy say again?
Another
Another who? What did he say?
Now wow.
Now wow. Problem there. Something is missing. Jump to the next verse. Quick, quick, quick. The children of God are